and give a brief introduction about Chef Rakhi Vaswani. She is a prominent culinary figure known for her expertise in Indian cuisine and her innovative approach to cooking. With a career spanning several years, Chef Rakhi has established herself as a renowned chef, author and culinary educator. Chef Rakhi's culinary skills have been showcased on various platforms including television shows, cooking demonstrations and culinary events. In addition to her culinary pursuits, she is also an author, having written cookbooks that showcase her recipes, culinary insights and passion for cooking. She is also actively involved in culinary education, conducting workshops and training sessions to inspire budding chefs and food enthusiasts. Chef Rakhi Vaswani's contribution to the culinary world have made her a respected figure in the industry, known for her dedication to promoting Indian cuisine on a global scale and her commitment to culinary excellence. Can we have a huge round of applause for Chef Rakhi as we invite her on the stage?
That wasn't huge actually. Can I have a loud and absolutely louder applause here? Everyone who knows me, who doesn't know me also. हाथ ऊपर करो और ताली बजाओ जल्दी. Tea time is at 4:30 we were told, but we sneaked in some tea and coffee, so I'm wide awake. Good afternoon everyone, this is Chef Rakhi Vaswani. Thank you so much for that lovely introduction. You forgot to mention that I will add that now. So for me, being a chef who is not only, working in restaurants or doing consultancy and working in hotels, it was about teaching, it was about educating. Hence, after in so many years of working, it's been 16, 17 years now, I took a 10-year sabbatical when my kids were young. Yes, I have a 27-year-old daughter and a 24-year-old son. My daughter actually trained at Culinary Institute of America, and now she's a makeup artist, so that's different. But for me, it was about teaching, having trained internationally and having trained in India. I felt that there was a gap, and that's what I wanted to bridge, and hence the birth of Palette Culinary Academy took place, where we train skill diploma in culinary and bakery to budding chefs with 2 UK accreditations. Moving forward, a very, very warm welcome to everyone, and the topic is really close to all of our hearts. Everyone before me has really spoken brilliantly. In fact, it touched a chord somewhere or the other everywhere. But I also have a few points. I hope they match with yours, and I can see that the audience is all half disappeared, so I'm not going to keep this long. So that's all right. What is hospitality? And sustainability. There is no hospitality like understanding. We need to understand, and that's what we've been doing when Amrita came on board. We heard her talk about things that came from her heart, what she's grown up doing, and what she's inculcating in her life with her family and her children. Same thing goes with us, and then my chef, Chef Nilesh came in, and he gave us a lot of insights about the hotel industry and those little points that really, maybe one or two even I didn't know, and that was really good. The oil part was really nice, and that's the point I'm going to take and keep with me for my next conversation for sure. So my teacher always told me, the more you share, the more you learn. Today you've shared that with me, and I have learned something, so I'm happy. And like she said, she's inculcating. I'm a teacher, yes. I do culinary training and I do cooking for survival. But every mother and every person at home can make that difference, and that is what we're looking for. I know there are a few points that I want to talk about. I'm going to keep it nice and short because Chef Nilesh has already spoken about. The secret of success is to do the common thing uncommonly well. That is what we want to do, quoted by John D. Rockefeller Jr. And there are a few points, I know it's very cliche, but yes, there are some points I want to go over, and these are personal experiences that I would like to share and not, go into the nitty-gritties. So yes, energy efficiency, something like that is we really need to incorporate and enhance, and in the hospitality industry increase that. So, technologies like LED light and smart HVAC lights, really those systems really make a difference. Sensors. On my recent trip when I was in Istanbul, I've just come back 2 days ago, and I was staying in Movenpick, and every time we say make our room, when we would come back into the room, they would keep the key slot not entered just to save and conserve that energy. A customer wouldn't do that, right? And training starts at every level. So as it starts from your home, as it starts in your restaurant, I think it should even start in our culinary trainings and hospitality industry in the hotel management courses. Sustainability should start at its core, the way we've learned from the core from my mother. When I was younger, my mother never let me leave the room if I had not switched off the light. I used to find her nagging, but I learned those habits. आज तक whenever I leave a room, किसी का भी हो, होटल का भी, I will always switch off everything. And the same nagging I've done with my kids. So it starts at every stage. Wherever we are, we need to do the training. I went to a small restaurant. You know, हम देसी लोग हैं, थोड़े दिन बाहर का खाना खा के we want our Indian food. Went to Taksim Square and I went to a restaurant, Indian restaurant, small time restaurants होते हैं जो, and their washrooms were down in the basements, not done up properly, whatever. But they had sensor lights. The minute you enter, that light goes on. So we notice in so many of our hotels also, the lights are continuously on. Why can't we acknowledge and do these kind of changes on a regular basis? So it's a team effort. If we come together, then we can save a lot of that energy. And that efficiency can be used to, in production, in, actually boosting the employees also, in a lot of other resources for the hotels, because at the end of the day, you do want to run a successful business, right? Going on to the next point that I have is we really need to look into waste management. As you said, you gave some great points. Here I want to point a little smaller point, which is again more close to home. We do have the advanced technologies of waste management, which are different sections. But do we know that a lot of people from our earlier generation, our parents, and that generation is not that well educated, do not even know the difference. So education, I think, probably would help, because जैसे हमारी माँ ने हमको सिखाया कुछ चीज़ें, modern technology हमें कुछ और सिखाती है. The merger of the two, if we come together and we work together, I think we can do better. What say? I think, because I'm sure my mom would not know when she would go to the airport or any restaurant or mall, she wouldn't know the difference. She would just put it in the wrong department. So I think the knowledge awareness, even events like that where we can do more awareness would be better. And nowadays it's the technology ka zamana. So imagine saving print. I think everyone almost has gone into not printing and sending out digital and those kind of invitations, which does save a lot of energy and waste management. Plus your water, it starts from home, it starts in the hotel, it starts in the hospitality, but it starts at the training centers also. So I think it's a joint effort. A lot of our hotels are doing a lot of energy efficiency by solar. Taj is actually doing that at the Andaman, which is great, and I think a lot of other hotels are going to follow. I think we should bring that on a more macro level as well and expand that. And as we say, we all come together, we work together, we talk together. मेरे लिए बस ये 2-3 instances थे which I feel can make a change in the hospitality industry. I don't want to keep a longer speech because I think everyone wants to have that high tea now. It's been lovely, listening to all my fellow colleagues and meeting some people in the industry. A lovely host. Have a great day. Remember sustainability, as Mr. Soni said. For him, it was different. For him, it was different. For her, it was different. For him, for everyone. But if we all come together, that one point, ye muthi, hum milke, we can make that change. So the whole idea about this event is to make that change in hospitality and sustainability. So we're all here to sustain, as Dr. said, that hum जानते हैं हम पैदा ही हुए sustain करने को, पर हम मिलके sustain कर सकते हैं. Thank you so much. Great afternoon, everyone.
Can we have a huge round of applause for her? And now I would request you to please stay back, and I would request Amrita.
Maybe after high tea they'll clap louder.
Can we have a round of applause? एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. And now can we please have you on the stage? And I would request Amrita ma'am to kindly join us and present the memento. And Elisa, can you please join in for a group picture along with Mr. S.K. Sahu?